Okay, let's take a look at the answers to your Unit 7 Pre-Quiz A. This may be one video, this may be two videos, we'll see how it goes. So the basis of this, it starts with the image of a chemical equation, and we want to complete the inventory of atoms. So this is presumably unbalanced because it's just got one representative particle for each reactant and one for each product. So I see that I've got an H2. I'm still getting used to this. Try switching pens here, see if that works. Yep, okay. So H2 goes with the two small white circles. There are only two small white circles there. So on the reactant side, I've got two H's, and then the O2 goes with those two shaded circles together. So atom-wise, I've got two oxygen atoms. And on the right side, H2O, which means two of those are H's, which I might have deduced from looking from the left side and realizing the small white circles are H's. Or I could maybe even just looked at that one molecule right there and realized, oh, well, if two of those are H's and one of those are O's, then the shaded one needs to be the O. In any event, on the product side, we have two hydrogens and one oxygen. Does the current inventory of atoms mean this is a balanced equation or an unbalanced equation? It's an unbalanced equation. And the reason for that is that the type and number of atoms on each side of the equation are not equal. Oops, I can just move that. Not equal. Okay. So let's see if we can shrink out of that. Great. So because we had our atom count going 2-2 for hydrogen and oxygen on the left side, but 2-1 on the right side, that's not the same number and types of atoms. So that's an unequal or unbalanced chemical equation. So yes, it correctly states the formulas and it nicely draws one representative particle of each reactant and product, but it doesn't ultimately give me the right numbers of each reactant that I would need to make a certain number of products. Chemical equations are rearrangements of atoms. So whatever product I'm going to make, I need to have all the atoms there already on the left side. And all the atoms that I draw on the left side need to just show rearrangement to make the right side. And right now it looks like I lose an oxygen. Because I have two on the left and one on the right. So there's something wrong there. So we're calling it an unbalanced chemical equation. I think at 3.5 minutes we'll stop this video and then do page 2 separately.